Good morning, guys. Welcome back to yet another video. My name is Ya Hengari. If you are new here, to the new subscribers, guys, you are welcome. Please like, comment, share. Just do the right thing and be part of the family. Subscribe to the channel, please. I'm very stressed right now. I sent the kids. I'm all alone. I sent the kids to Windhoek. They are traveling. They are going to my mom. But the way I'm stressed right now, guys, you will not get it. I don't want even to go out of bed. I just want to be in bed the whole day. The taxi that I'm calling, it's people are not picking. They're supposed to go with another taxi. The taxi go break down, so they went in another one. These kids supposed to go from here straight to Windhoek. But now I took another taxi from here to take them to Swakop, and from Swakop with another taxi again. Someone even that I don't know. I did not even get the cell phone number. It's really giving me headache. Now I'm just in bed. I don't want even to eat anything. Things are tasteless. But I will go here, but it's really not going. I can't go shut up. I don't know where my kids are. But I just pray. I know God will help me. I know will protect them wherever they are. You know, guys, because they are kids, man. They need that to feel like they are with someone to protect them. Now people that they are with, maybe they're even shouting, "Hey, guys, sit here, shift there, what, you don't know." But I just pray everything will be fine. Okay, I'm going to take a bath now. Can't you tell me? This one. Come on, my country. Oh, they want to. I've already brushed many times. Though I was stressed, I wake up and brush my teeth. Okay, let's go take a bath. I will not take you guys with. I will not do that. So please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. If I want to make noise, my neighbor will be like, really? She talking to herself. fine for me. So chill, dude. Now the kids are not here. I'll put in this pepper. Come over. Let's try something. You don't hit me. So what can you do? Then they keep it here. I don't know, man, I get a big pimple here. It's very painful. Very painful. Please guys, the whole thing that I'm doing, all this effort I'm putting in this video, please like the video, like, share, subscribe, share to other people so that they can be part of this family. It's growing little by little more carry, but YouTube thinks it's not easy. Maybe 1,000 subscribers, where will I get those people? Guys, become part of this family. Please subscribe to the video so that we can be 1,000 plus the 400 watch hour again. And just like the video when you are watching, because if you like, the algorithm will remember me and share the video to other people also. But now I have to be the only one to share it because there is really no likes. Imagine there is 100, not 100, there is maybe 70 something viewers and only 2 likes. What is that? Because you are not interested in the video but you are watching. If you don't watch until the end or what, I'm very disappointed. But kids, on the other note, the kids are not yet here. But still guys, the kids did not reach Windhoek. I don't know where they are right now. The taxi driver don't want to give me the number of the person who's driving the other taxi. Oh, really? People are so rude. But I hope they are somewhere near to reach Windhoek, because it's going to 3 o'clock right now. The time was very frustrated. It was morning time. It was around 8 there. Imagine the whole time I was just so stressed. But at least I managed to be out of bed. I managed to wake up and clean up and do everything. I need to go buy electricity, even for $20, because my neighbor already bought. So it's my turn now. Mind you, today is Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. I have a $20 here. A $20. I will buy $20 electricity. I also wanted bread. So wanted bread. When I have bread, maybe the next one. It's my standard. Bread nowadays is expensive, and it all cows. So guys, when I finish here, I'll go buy bread and electricity. 6.5. Let's make it 16. People used to say, don't put money on the bed. What? It's just illegal. What is this? Nothing. Oh, what is ready? Just spaghetti, no cause ready to have is no meat. I'm not even going to buy meat. The money I have is not enough. Okay, and spaghetti. I'm going to eat now. Yes, your mother, you are eating. You don't even have your pizza. Oh, 260 VSD. Put something on my tummy. Then I'll go. I'll go buy electricity. Come back home. This one is very short. It's very short. The long one is there. And it's broken even. in the background is a raw radio. I'm a saga for a raw radio, guys. In the video. I shut up. I'm going to go to one engine. I wonder where they are. I made for them toast to bread. Kapat Kosato. Mahunju Kaipo, we are broke. But I got shirts, the sleeves, all those nice things. I hope they are fine wherever they are. I pray Jehovah will protect them. For me, because where I am right now, I have nothing to do. The driver don't want to send me the number of the other person. I'm sitting here eating. They grab it for me. Okay, let's go. Took a random brought and the electricity. This one was just it. Guys, took a random brought the electricity. This thing is spinning. I wear this jersey because it's cold outside. It's very cold outside. The sun is out, but it's still cold. The shop is not far from where I stay. Better. Hello, how are you? Great. I think I'll take half bread. Cost full bread for what? One person. Oh, that's fine. Sorry, mate. I'm making a video, but I will not put you in the video. This price is 21 here for what? How do you used to buy for 16? That's not spice so that I can go sale. 1 kg is $70. Sorry, I will not do to you the video. I'm not doing it on your face, sorry. Haven't done.
You want a video for what?
I'm having a YouTube channel.
What?
I'm having a YouTube channel. I'm having a YouTube channel.
YouTube.
Must subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Why? You don't want to watch my video? Why? Don't worry, I will not put you in it. You don't want to watch? I will not. I will not put. I will never put someone this. You can just, if you search it, it will come. Thank you. Okay, hi guys, welcome back. I'm grateful the kids reached Windhoek safely. My brother go pick them. The good thing is that I wrote my brother's number and my sister's number on the paper, and then I put in letters jersey that she was wearing, Monjatu. So at least they called her. They called my brother, then he went to go pick them. Guys, I was very frustrated. I was stressed. I was crying out. Like, what is really happening with my kids? I don't know where they are. But I'm grateful they reached safely. My brother is even saying they are very well, they are fine. My little one is just jumping around. she's like she's not even stressed where she is or anything like that. I was even asking Meta, was she crying on the way or how was she? Meta is saying no, she was fine, she did not even cry. And the way I was stressed, yeah, I was thinking like this one maybe she's crying, she's even asking Mama Upi, Mama Upi. But Kama, she did not even cry, she was just fine. She's a hyper kid, so I'm grateful to the Lord. And so please guys, like the video, share, subscribe. Just do better, man. Do better by liking the video, subscribing if you are not part of this family already. You are watching right now but you are not a subscriber, please hit that button and become part of the family. To show there like subscribe, to make a star like this also when you subscribe, and give it a thumb up, like the video. Thank you very much. Bye. I know sometimes people really want longer, like they prefer a long vlog than the short one, but is it really necessary? Because even some of us, like we are human in YouTube things, in this YouTube street, we are very new people, and it's like you put like a 12 or how many seconds video there, the viewers are just 30 or 20 something, and now really I should vlog like a whole hour vlog for what? Like for who? Even as if people would even watch. Like that's why I prefer making short things like that. I know like people sometimes like they want more what, but just comment down below if you want a longer vlog or not. Because for me it will be a long weekend. Yes, we are not most working on Friday. I'm planning to travel to Swakop to go visit my brother in August. So then I'll go vlogmas where I am and things like that, so that I can at least do a longer video. But if not, you guys maybe prefer this shorter one, just comment down below. Guys, commenting down below, it don't even cost anything. It's just you writing down something, and then it will just, or you don't want your faces to be seen like you commented down my video or what. Oh, to all these my subscribers, 100 or how many subscribers I have now, a lot of them, but you guys, you don't even comment down below. Comment down below, like, share, do all those good things. Bye bye.